What is going on, guys? We were out here with all the rigs today, and as you can see, we got a little bit of snow, and it's really wet and gross and foggy. So today, guys, what we're gonna be doing is getting the garage like ready. We're gonna make this like a serious spot to like work on cars. We're gonna end up taking this car out because that actually got sold, and then we're gonna move this car over there, put on dollies, and we're gonna make this whole spot like an epic work spot. We're gonna try to get some better lighting, and just tonight we're gonna make this just like an epic spot, clean it all out and make it good. So yeah, we'll get at that. I'm gonna be putting the Nova, the red car that you just saw over there, on the trailer up there because it's gonna be getting brought to the buyer. Justin should be showing up. I don't know if this is him. No, not Justin. Or was Justin now? He has no beard anymore. He looks so different. I thought I was going to get assaulted when he came. I didn't know it was him.
I'm 14.
But we're in the garage now. Like, in it. We're in it. Like, there's so much stuff. So before we even start pulling cars out, and of course the battery's dead, but I don't even know if this... Batteries are stupid. We'll figure it out. But I have to, like, kind of move a little bit of this crap. There's just, like what? Is this a diesel intake? I don't even know what the hell this is. See, stuff everywhere. So I got to move it. And, yeah. I'll get back to you when this is a little bit more cleaned up. And then we'll take some stuff out of the area. Let's do it. We cleaned up all the stuff on the table and organized some of this stuff. And now we're going to try to find the van and we can get the trailer on it so the Nova can come out. The van, yeah, hopefully she likes it. It needs the charger. That is so... Justin was going hard over there. That's lame. No, she needs a charger. Lame. She needs a charger. Shit. So yeah, nothing really wants to fire up for us right now, but it's okay. We'll take the charger, you know, off the Nova and put it on the van. Damn. Battery charger on. Take one. Yeah! What a beast, dude. Didn't need too much love this time, huh? That 50 amp jump start. Nice. So we got the van down here with the trailer on it. We have the Nova with the battery charger on it. And what we're going to do now is ship it to Harbor Freight, guys. And then we're going to get the car dollies. And we're going to put them on every wheel of the Camaro here. You'll see it when she's uncovered. It is a Camaro. And we're going to put the car dollies underneath this and move it over there. So the whole garage will be opened up and give us some room to work. But we're about to head to Harbor Freight now.
I know there was a left lane. I thought that was like the other side.
It descended.
When it gets rainy out, I can't see shit.
The 7.3.
That guy's a 150. Suck. Nice.
We gotta now sit with these. This is legit. Pouring. I would just put them in the bed, but you know, I'm trying not to like get the package destroyed. We are back. We got these two somewhat assembled. Obviously there's a little bit of assembly required here, so I have to put the nut on. Pretty easy. Justin's opening up that one, and I'm gonna give the Nova a fire here because it's been charging this entire time, so I mean I think she'll go. I might have to put some gas in the car, but who knows, maybe not. Find the key. All right, so a couple kicks of the old throttle because the carb life, and let's give her hell. Oh yeah, she's gonna go. She's gonna go. Yep, we're gonna give her a little bit of gas, just you know, so it doesn't crank all day. Hey man, it's the carb life.
How long she's been sitting for?
Not that long. All right, well, I'm gonna pop off the this beast here. I'll put some fuel in it.
Old school.
Oh shit.
I don't know what you did though. That's a carburetor.
Ta-da! I have no starting fluid, so the technique here is pour some gas into said carburetor and then run into it and turn it on. So let's do that. Just a splash now. Just a splash.
Don't want to flood the bitch.
Oh, oh, oh! That was a little bit more than a splash, but that's fine. It's good, guys. That's how you do it. Oh, I almost dropped the intake. Oh, shit. If you have anything American, Justin wants it. Nice.
America.
Oh.
Nova's coming out. Straighten it out, yeah.
And for those of you that think I'm being a squid, it has 0 brakes, except the e-brake. I'll show you. The only brake we got, guys, the only brake. Whoa, almost dropped my light. Is that me? So as I was saying before my freaking camera died, that's the only brake I got, right there. Animal. All right, let's send her up.
Oh, what happened? Yeah!
With the Nova out of here, obviously we have a shit ton more room. And obviously we could work here, but it's just kind of inconvenient trying to come in at an angle every time. And with this over here, I think it'll open up just the opportunities. What do you think, Justin?
Absolutely.
I think we'll have a lot more potential.
Be able to drive in and out.
Exactly.
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna put the dollies that we got onto the wheels of the Camaro here. Look at her, guys. And we're gonna move this over here. Hey, if enough of you want to see Camaro stuff, I need at least 1,000 people interested. We'll say we need a lot of interest in the Camaro for her to come out someday.
Absolutely, this thing's freaking beautiful. It never sees the daylight.
Well, we're gonna slide that thing over, organize our crap, and yeah, let's get at it.
Oh, yeah.
Big pile of debris here, and Justin's out here tightening the caster wheels. We already got one underneath there, and we're about ready to put the other one under the front, and the front will be good. Kind of just organizing stuff. There's so much, obviously, just like location-wise. My toolbox has nothing in it. I won from school when I graduated last year, but I haven't put anything in it yet. The OG stock Volvo automatic shifter. Plain. Quite a few cobwebs under here. But in order to get this up, I don't know why, it's just like, that one's way higher than this one. So Justin's just gonna push down that side for me. Yeah, you can send it.
That's all my body weight.
That's all she goes?
That's my body.
Damn, okay, never mind. I'm gonna have to just jack it up a different point. That's good, thank you. So what we're gonna do, I guess, is just lower it down on this one her right in the middle of it. And we'll just lower her down. Oh, real slow. Oh, maybe that wasn't that slow, but... Well, it didn't fold into a million pieces, so that's good. Now we'll put the other side on. I was able to jack the back up by the diff, and that tire is fucked! So, we're still just gonna send it on there, I guess. It's really no big deal. Ooh, I got a fuzzy thing on me. And then we'll put one into this one, and we're good to go. We'll move this beast over.
Damn it.
Need more?
A little more. Like a CH. A CH more?
You jerk.
The slightest CH of the CHs.
Nice. Give it up.
Yeah.
She is all up in the air. This is probably one of my favorite colors of all time, guys. Midnight Metallic Blue. I absolutely love this color on anything.
I love this car.
Yeah, this car's cool. But here she comes, guys. She's coming out of her resting spot. We're gonna move it over here. Well, look at the room we got, guys. Crazy amount of space now, crazy amount of space. Obviously has to be cleaned up. Very dirty, but I'm gonna do some of that now. Justin's gotta head out for the night. So, I'll be here, guys, making this spot sweet. And yeah, I'll update you a little bit when I get a little bit more done. But for now, it's looking so awesome. Bunch of workspace here.
Oh yeah.
I got everything tied up. It is hella late, guys. It's like 10:30 now. But I've been out here, and look at this. So much nicer, so much nicer. The spot looks awesome, and it's way bigger now. You got room for activities. But I have these two big piles. Really big piles, actually. Camera doesn't give it justice. There's so many leaves just like lurking, cobwebs. But I decobwebified it, get everything kind of concentrated in the fold of this table, and it's looking great. I got a bunch of LS things all there, tools and whatnot. So we'll be able to get some serious builds going now, get some anything in the rain. If it's shitty weather, I would come in here and get it rocking and rolling. And yeah, not have to really be as worried about weather dictating our car shit. So, cool beans. I'm gonna scoop up these piles. The one person method. I am finally done, guys. It is 11 o'clock, but totally worth it because the new spot is freaking awesome. It came out so mint, and I could not wait to bring a car in here. It's just gonna be so epic to be able to get some serious stuff going, not worry about the elements. I got the welder over there, got so much room. So make sure to stay tuned, guys. We got stuff with the Miata coming. We have Miata exhaust soon, Miata coilover soon. Justin's E36 is getting stuff. So a bunch of daily drifter stuff happening like wicked soon. So make sure to stay tuned. And we got the spot now. It is about to be lit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video though, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace!
Why self-life? We got London on the track.